Wow. Check this out. The video you're watching shows a real incident from Indonesia. In the dark of night, a small boat is surrounded by a few tour guides who are trying to catch a huge python from the water. Suddenly, one of the guides reaches in to grab the python, but he slips and falls into the water. As he falls, the massive python coils around his neck. You should also watch this video.
One, two, three, four.
Nah.
Xem tổng.
Oh, mantap.
This moment was really intense, but the guide stayed calm and controlled his emotions. If he had panicked, the python's grip could have gotten even tighter. But thanks to his cool-headed approach and with the help of his team, he was able to free himself from the snake. After a few tense moments, the team successfully gets the python back onto the boat safely. This incident is a powerful reminder that when you're around wildlife, staying calm is key. It also teaches us how dangerous it can be to disturb wild animals and why it's crucial to always call professional wildlife rescuers for help. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wildlife safety tips. Leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next surprising video. Until then, take care.